Last night was fun, but this morning my body did not get the RSVP. Enter Rally, the salted caramel energy and hydration stick. That's basically like a reset button in a little pouch. It has electrolytes, caffeine, B vitamins. It's like coffee and an energy drink had a baby. So energy, hydration, and no crash later. And the flavor, salted caramel heaven. It's like going to your favorite coffee shop, except you can still be in your pajamas at home and nobody's judging you. Perfect for late nights, long work days, travel. You just take one stick and boom, you are back to normal. Vegan, gluten-free, and low sugar. Basically a do good, be good type of a drink. I love how portable these are. Take them with you into the office, in your diaper bag, while you're traveling. Rally salted caramel, the coffee drink that actually helps you recover. Coffee who?